unbox a Coach purse with me. Hold on. Let's try again. Okay. Now this purse is from, it's not super vintage, but it's from the year 2010, I believe. And here it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. That's a really cool color. It's like a burgundy brown-ish color. You know what? It's like a rust color. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of that Kiss Lock purse that Sarah Jessica Parker was wearing, that giant one. I'm wondering. Here, let's see something really quick. If I stuck this in here, I wonder if we tuck these in. Does it have the same effect? I think so. Bam. So anyway, yeah, this is a pretty cool bag. It gives Y2K vibes. It's pretty big. This bag is pretty huge. Thank you. Man, I'm new to TikTok, and why does my face look heavily like smooth? I didn't even add a filter to this. Like, why does it look like that? Anyway, so the name of this purse is called... Sorry, I got a phone call. The name of this purse is called... Oops. Just search 13921 and then see if you could find some more, because I have a feeling this type of style with the slouchy bottom is going to be trending this year. So, and eBay is like, that's the best place to shop for. That's where I get most of my like vintage Coach things, either antique malls, the thrift store, or eBay. Anyway, good luck and let me know if you get it.